Welcome back to uGenesys. Now, in this video, we will be looking at the best and also most affordable backtesting software for MT4. And I'm talking about BacktestEase. Now, if you are a Forex trader, it is very important to test all your strategies before you start trading live in the market. Because if you don't have an edge while trading, you're going to lose money. So you need to verify that your strategy is one that gives you enough profits in order to make this worthwhile. Because you don't want to just see a random strategy on YouTube or on a blog or on TikTok somewhere and then start using it. No, that's completely wrong. You need to test that strategy to make sure that it works and that it fits your lifestyle and your schedule. So for example, people that have a lot of time, they might try to use intraday trading strategies where every morning you wake up at New York Open 7:30 and you're trading. However, some people might not have all that time. Some people might prefer to be swing traders where they can just take a position in the market and they will hold that position for days or weeks. So finding the perfect strategy that works for you is an important part of trading Forex. And not many of you realize, but there's no perfect strategy. And there's multiple ways to trade the market. But as long as you're making money, that's the most important thing. Okay? So yeah, BacktestEase. So it has a very cool panel that you can use to see all the profits that you're making. All right, so I already downloaded the software onto my VPS. So I'm going to go over there in a few minutes, but I'm just showing you what their website looks like. And I'm going to show you the plans that they have. So we go to choose your plan. They have the starter, which is free. And they have the basic, which is $7.65. And they have pro, which is $17.10. Now, guys, this is very cheap, to be honest with you. Most of the backtesting software that is in the market is really expensive. You guys have no idea. So for a company to come in like this, very cheap. I think they're really targeting, beginners who are just starting out, who may not have a big budget necessarily. So if we look at the free plan here, you can actually download the software, but it's only for USD CAD. And, that's fine because, we just want to see exactly what it can do and how it works. So I'm going to go ahead and download this, and in a few seconds, I'm going to cut away and you'll see the installation process. All right, so now I'm back on my VPS because I don't have a Windows laptop, so I have to use a VPS. So, all right, so you guys, you should know that this is a Windows only software. This is not for MacBooks. So if you want to use it, if you're a MacBook user, you're going to need to use either Parallels on MacBook, or you're going to use a VPS like me. So we're going to click the installer and we're going to start the installation process. Now, as you can see, immediately as I opened the installer, it automatically detected the broker I was using. So I'm using HF Markets MetaTrader 4, right? And it automatically found it. So I'm going to click this and click next. And then I'll click install. And that seems like it's it. Okay, let's click finish. All right, let me see what I'm gonna do next. Okay, so I already have my MT4 open, but I'm just going to try to refresh some things to see if I found it. And right there, it's already there. So the installation process took maybe 5 seconds. That was very quick. So let's see exactly how to use this. All right, guys, because this is my first time using it, so we're going to see exactly how we do this. Okay, so let me open the strategy tester, and then we will see how exactly this works. All right, so we're going to click BacktestEase. This is it. And we're going to choose a symbol, which is USD CAD, because remember, this is a free test trial and the period is 1 hour, right? And this should be on every tick. We're going to use date. Now the free plan is only from January 2025 until now, so that's what we gotta do. So 2025. All right, let's do May 1st. Yeah, let's just start from May. That's where I want to backtest from. So from May 1st, 2025 to today, the 27th. Okay. Let me try to make this bigger. All right, so I was able to make this bigger so I could see the visual mode. All right. Let's look at the expert properties. Okay, so we don't need to touch absolutely anything. We can just click OK. Oh, wow, look, there's actually an option for you to export the backtest results, which is pretty cool. All right, so let's press start and see what happens. Okay, guys, so my terminal crashed a few minutes ago, so I'm just going to redo it. So remember USD CAD, because this is a free trial, 1 hour period. The model is every tick. I'm going to use January to January 31st, 2025. And also very important, make sure that you click this to use a date. And the next important thing that you want to do is you need to pull up your panel so that visual mode can be turned on, because you need to use visual mode to see the backtesting panel that we have. So let's click start and it should pop up. Let's see. Okay, there we go. So you can see it's popped up right there. Let me just pull this down. Okay, this is perfect. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to do a buy order and see what happens. Okay, that is just perfect. So right away, I can see that we can choose the risk percentage, you can choose the risk dollar amount, you can choose the lot size. So everything is actually here in the panel, so that's good. So I don't need to be worrying about, you know, manually doing these things every time. So that's good. Oh, and you can also see the current profit and today's overall profit. So that is actually great. 1, 2, 3, we have the break even option, close 50% option, close all. You can manipulate the stop loss or the take profit line. It's very configurable. That's what I realize. So guys, if you are a beginner, I highly recommend a tool like this, not just because of how easy it is to install and easy it is to use, but also the price. Because like I said before, this is one of the cheapest backtesting softwares on the Forex market right now. The competition right now, I think, is like, some of them are like $100 per month or $150 per month, which is crazy. Because if you are a beginner in trading Forex, you're not really gonna have money. That's just the reality. Okay, so let me just go back to the website, backtest.ease. Yeah, let's just look at the plans one more time. So yeah, this is the free plan I was using. Just using for January. Okay, perfect. And yeah, the basic plan is $7.65 for a monthly subscription. That's a steal, guys. To be honest with you, that is definitely a steal. And the pro version is $17. Wow, this is really good. This is really good. I wish I had something like this when I was just starting my Forex trading journey, to be honest with you, because back then everything was so expensive, and even right now things are still very expensive. So guys, I'm going to put the link to get this amazing backtesting program for MT4. It's going to be in the description of this video, so click the link below and just leave a comment and tell me if you like it, and if you have any problems, let me know, because I'll be continuing to test it as well. All right guys, so see you in the next video.